something came into the mail, and I'm pretty excited to open this box. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Emma, and here I just love to share my love of all things beautiful, feminine, vintage, pink, sparkly. You know, you get the drift. If you like those things too, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. But in today's video, we have here a box. You could probably tell. And this here, I'm pretty excited to open up. I found some adorable boots that just screamed Barbie. And they were a really great deal, so I got them. Anyhow, let's see and open up this box, shall we? These shoes here are from the brand called IRREGULAR CHOICE. And they probably make the cutest shoes on the planet. Ooh, here is our box. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes. Thank heaven, the correct size. Now this box, in of itself, is a work of art. I mean, look at the detail. I love it. It's so cute. It's too cute. All right. Enough of the shenanigans. Let's just get right into it. So I'm just gonna pull the box out completely. I'm really excited. From past experience, I have learned that if it looks cute on the computer screen or on your phone, you bet your butt it's gonna be 10 times cuter in person. So I'm just taking a moment to prepare myself. All right. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They really do look like a Barbie shoe. Sorry, a moment of silence. I'm in awe of just the detail. Oh my goodness. And look at the sole. That is so pretty. Have you ever seen a more Barbie cowboy boot? I have not. I haven't. I've never. I mean, everything down to the shade of pink, to the blue and the yellow, which is like my favorite color combination on the planet. Wow. It might seem silly to some, but my heart is racing right now. So the shoes are so comfortable to wear. I usually wear a 5.5, and these are a European size 36. So they fit perfectly. I have enough room to put an insole to make them extra cushiony, but I love this heel height because it's not too high. It's just perfect for any arch support that you may need. And yeah, I really love it. Well, I think it is safe to say I feel like a Barbie cowgirl. Now I just need to find myself a pink cowgirl hat, and I'll be set. And maybe a pink revolver, you know? Well, that concludes the unboxing. But I gotta say, they did not disappoint. They are stunning. I highly recommend that if you like unique, funky, spunky, sparkly, glittery, and just overall beautiful shoes, you should definitely check out IRREGULAR CHOICE. I am not sponsored by no means. I wish I was. That'd be great. But in all honesty, these shoes are just like little works of art. They're just so pretty. I can't get over how gorgeous they are. The amount of detail that is put into these shoes, the material that is used, the fabric, the colors, the patterns they choose. It's just all so gorgeous. And I think if you're a shoe fanatic, then yeah, this might just be missing in your collection. I did purchase these on Poshmark, so I'm not too sure if they're still available on their website, Irregular Choices website. I will, however, link it down in the description for you if you want to take a peek and see if there are any cute shoes that tickle your fancy. But I do love checking Poshmark out. Sometimes you can find amazing deals for these shoes because they are definitely a little pricier. If I'm being totally honest, I haven't brought myself to spend their retail price because they're not cheap, but they're beautiful. They are a beautiful shoe, and I think you're more so paying for the art that is the shoe. So yeah, I'm really I love them. Oh, they're so pretty. All right, everybody, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know of any fun or funky shoe brands or handbag brands that you know of that you think I might like. Let's share in the comments, almost that description. Anyhow, I hope you all have a lovely day wherever you are. If you like content like this, be sure to hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. I mean, it's free, right? But anywho's, you guys have a great rest of your day, night, wherever you may be, and we will see you in my next video. Bye.